Go.
Alright, so here you have a picture of the xylem and the phloem. This explains the apoplastic and symplastic pathway, where the apoplastic goes from cell wall to cell wall, and the other one, and the symplastic goes from cytoplasm to cytoplasm via plasma. The difference between the xylem and the phloem is that the xylem basically transports sucrose and water, while the phloem transports supports and transports for the plant. And basically the difference is that the xylem has dead cells, which basically is where water can pass through, and it has the pits, which is where water gets through from cell to cell. And then for the phloem, it transports depending on the concentration. Like the concentration at the bottom can be higher than the concentration at the top. And basically water is transported up like sucking through a straw. Also, it has the process between the source and the sink. Basically, how this occurs is that the leaf basically transports, proteins. Like for example, it would transport sucrose into the companion cell by active transport alone, and then hydrogen ions would go back out of the companion cell into the wall by apoplastic pathway, and then it would build up, and it would basically form a co-transporter, which allows it to go through the companion cell and by active transport into the C2 element. And then that forms right there, that's where the concentration difference forms, where it carries it up the plant. And so that's the major difference, and here just it demonstrates that, where you have the roots, which is where the water goes from, depending on the concentration, from the outside of the plant to the roots, through the Casparian strip, or the endodermis, which is near the stem of the plant, and it goes up the plant. And then translocation is a transport, as mentioned, transport.